Today we're going to be preparing one of my papa's favorite for my papa for lunch, and it is orecchietti with Italian pork sausage and broccoli rabe. So simple to make and delicious. Ciao everybody, Caterina here. Welcome to my kitchen. Well, today my parents are feeling a little bit under the weather and I decided I'm going to prepare lunch for them. And one of the dishes that I will be preparing that my papa requested is orecchietti with Italian sausage and broccoli rabe. Delicious. Now let's get started. For medium heat, I'm going to add 1/3 cup of olive oil. My olive oil is hot. 4 anchovy fillets. Break them up ever so slightly. As they get hot, they will break up on their own. 4 Italian pork sausages. I removed the casing and broke up the meat. Add this to your pot and we're going to brown it. Continue stirring until the meat is browned, which will take approximately 10 to 12 minutes. The meat has browned beautifully. I'm going to add about a teaspoon of chili pepper. Of course, you can add more if you like. And 3 sliced garlic cloves. And I'm just going to cook them for about 1 minute. As soon as you can smell the garlic, you know it's cooked. 3/4 cup of your best white wine. Everything has been cooking beautifully for at least 10 minutes. Now add 1 cup of the pasta water from the orecchietti. I already pre-cooked my orecchietti, 1 minute less than what the package said because we're going to finish cooking it in the sauce. I already blanched my broccoli rabe for approximately 2.5 minutes. Now I'm going to add this. Everything's been cooking beautifully together. It's been about 4 minutes. You decide how much you'd like to cook it. Now I'm going to turn it off and taste it for you. Final touch to this wonderful dish. You saw how simple it was to prepare and it's always a hit. Parmigiano Reggiano, of course, as much as you like. I'm going to put a lot because my sweet papa loves a lot of this cheese. Beautiful. I served myself a little bit. I don't think my sweet papa will mind. The orecchietti with the broccoli rabe and the sausage. And the little hint of chili pepper, delicious. Absolutely delicious. I want to thank you so much for joining me today. And it's Caterina from My Home to Yours. Don't forget to hit your like button. And if you haven't already done so, subscribe to my channel and share my recipes. Oh my goodness. So good.